How to activate Capital One credit card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can activate Capital One credit card. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, in your device or in your laptop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with, and on the search URL, simply type in capitalone.com/activate. After you type in, hit enter on your keyboard. Now you will directly land on this page of Capital One. Here, on this dialog box, there you will get two options as sign in and activate and enroll and activate. If you don't have an Capital One online account, then go to enroll and activate. There, first of all, you have to create an account and then you have to activate your credit card. Since we already have an account, so click on sign in and activate. Then on the next page, a sign-in prompt will be loaded in your interface. So to sign in, first of all, type in your username and after that type in your password. Make sure that you enter your correct login credentials. After you do that, simply click on sign in. Once you are signed in into Capital One, and on the next page, you will get to the interface where you will have an option as activate it here to get started using. So simply click on that link. That link will take you to next page where you will be asked to enter your credit card 3-digit security code. So there, simply type in your 3-digit security code of your credit card. And after you're done, simply click on activate button, and once you're done with that, your card will get activated and the card will be ready to use. So that's how you can activate Capital One credit card, and that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.